Domino's.
Oh gosh.
Yep, it's cross.
Go pizza.
Not a Domino's. Anything but a Domino's.
These guys wait for us.
I don't know. The ambulance has got his lights on. So we can walk up here and back down, I think. Or we can walk that way. Alright, cool. Coffee and pie. Maybe it's coffee and pie. They just go down to the Parliament. Yeah, they go down to the Parliament building. Just grab a few in the morning. Alright. There we go. They got water, so. It's really just random, isn't it? Like you just got shops at hardware shop, just boom, 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 you know. Yes, Panadol? You probably forget. Go on. We'll go get some Panadol. So this is it here. Behind this thing. Huh? Oh. Ooh, smells. I don't even know. I'm not walking through that.
Shop.
So I think this is the street we... We're good? Quick. What even? Yeah, probably. Well, that's that hill again. Looked ages. We were. Oh no. Okay, there it is. Some old dude.
Oh, stairs.
Okay, we found it. It's all Greek to me.
10 euro.
Really? I'm not paying for it. I'll look it up from the inside, the outside. Not for 10 euro, like come on. $20 each. Yeah. Television. $20 each.
Pretty huge.
Oh.
I don't think my legs would adjust to it though. That's all no, yeah, just buy something in the shop.
And it's huge.
I mean, it looks really impressive, but there's nothing to it. Once
Hey,
you
we're at the,
once you go in there,
the what do you call it? Stadium?
I don't know.
Yeah. Olympic Stadium. Yeah, what do you do? Jog around the track and pretend you're a...
Yeah, like I'd want to walk up there. I don't think I think you can pose on the.
Yeah. No, I'm good from here.
Yeah. Rookie mistake. They should build a big wall.
So you can't look at it. Yeah.
Further back, you get this view.
I'll take. Okay. Oh. The Acropolis from here? No, well, except that flag
Oh, is the wrong
is
side.
on the wrong side, so yes, we are a little way from home.